What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. First of all, I just like to say thank you very much, guys, for watching the videos, subscribing to the channel, commenting, and not forgetting those who like the videos, man. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you very much, guys. So today on this video, I'm gonna talk about why you should start your minoxidil journey if you haven't started it, and if you're in the minoxidil journey, why you should continue using your minoxidil. The benefits, man, I'm gonna talk about the benefits, but before I talk about the benefits, let me talk about one benefit that actually kind of changed my life, man, for using minoxidil. If you don't know, guys, I started to upload these videos because of I was using minoxidil to document my journey. While I was uploading these videos, man, I actually gained a new skill, which is editing videos, and now I can actually edit music videos, man, because of this. And I've already edited and directed actually 2 music videos, man. So I just wanna tell you guys what minoxidil did for me. So just in case you wanna see those music videos, man, I will leave the link below there. And by the way, man, those music videos I'm using a cell phone, nothing else, man, to capture the videos and also to edit. Using the cell phone, but I know you're not here for that, man. So let's just get straight to it, man. So reason number one why you should never stop using minoxidil is you will have your beard. That is your primary goal, man. You will have a beard. The reason why you started this journey is because you want a beard. Eventually you will have a beard. Now I don't want to give you false hope, and I don't want you guys to have high expectations, but you will have a beard that is better than what you used to have pre-minoxidil. So expect a better beard, man, if not the best beard. So that's the primary goal, man. So you're gonna have what you are starting this journey for. Now reason number two you should never stop minoxidil journey is because you're gonna have a nice skin, man. A facial skin is gonna be nice. The main reason why is because this journey kind of forces you to have a routine facial skin. If you have been in this journey for some time, you know at some point you need to exfoliate your face, man, because if you don't exfoliate your face, you might end up having some flaky stuff on your beard. So when you exfoliate, you're kind of getting rid of those flakiness there. So in total, you're kind of taking care of your skin. So as you all know, guys, exfoliating, washing your face twice a day is the best thing that you can ever do for your facial skin. So you're gonna have an awesome, nice skin. Given that you don't have side effects, guys, if it happens that you do have side effects and you're using a liquid, I would advise you guys, please use a foam version of minoxidil, especially the Kirkland Rogaine. Those are the ones that I would recommend that you should use, guys. They don't cause a lot of side effect, man. They might, but not that harsh as compared to liquid. And again, if you're looking for foam version of minoxidil and you're in South Africa, I would say there is a link there on the description. Go and buy that minoxidil, man, while it's still there. Now the third reason why you should not stop using this minoxidil, or you should start this journey, man, you're gonna learn 3 very important things in life, man. This is some of the things that as a man or as a person in general you need to have. You're gonna learn how to be patient, because it's not easy, man, to grow a beard. Even though you're using this juice, it will take some time to grow. If it doesn't, then you're the lucky few. But if it does, then you have to learn how to be patient. And you're gonna learn, man. If you want the beard and you're in this journey, patience, is one of the things that you need to have. And another one is discipline. You got to be disciplined, man. You have to be disciplined. And then man, if you are not disciplined, probably you're gonna be skipping days and not applying minoxidil at some point. And it takes discipline, guys, for this journey to be successful. Trust me, man. If you see a guy who's been on minoxidil for 6 months or even 3 months, I respect those guys, man. The reason why is because they are applying minoxidil every day, and that is discipline. And a lot of people, man, we are struggling when it comes to discipline. So you're gonna learn how to be disciplined, man, with this journey. And then another thing that you're going to learn is that you need to learn that in order for you to be successful in this life, you need to be consistent, man, with anything. And consistency is one of the things that this journey requires you to do and to have, in fact. So you see, this is one of the things that you're gonna learn, because this is an ingredient, man, to success. Consistency, man, and the journey requires a lot of it. It requires a lot of it. So yes, but you have to be consistent. So you need to learn to be consistent for you to be successful in this journey. I feel like this is a benefit that a lot of people they're talking about, obviously, but they take it for granted, man. But I feel like for each and everything you want to do in life, you want to start, you have to be consistent, and eventually you will break through. Another one that we don't talk about in this community, man, the benefits. I feel like this is one of the benefits that we don't talk about, and it's very important. It's confidence, man. This thing is gonna boost your confidence. Now you might be wondering how. Here's how, man. Look, when you don't have a beard, probably you wanted a beard, you know how you look like, and then you started to apply Minoxidil and you have this beard, man, and you start to see yourself, oh man, I look good. So for me, having a beard is more like you're wearing a nice cologne, you know that you smell good, and the confidence skyrocket. It's like wearing nice fresh clothes, man. You know that I'm wearing nice clothes, you're gonna feel comfortable and very confident. And when you feel like that, man, you attract a lot of people, because people they really like to be around people who are confident. So it's gonna boost your confidence, man. When you look at yourself in the mirror with a fresh cut and everything, you're like, oh man, I look good. At least that's what happens to me when especially the beard is starting to grow and I'm having a fresh cut. Oh man, the confidence is too much. It's too much, man. So I believe that it's gonna boost your confidence. Now, the last one, this one I'm kind of skeptical because of how people perceive it or how people actually see it. Your dating game is gonna improve, and on this one, please bear with me again. The main reason why I say your dating game is gonna improve, first of all, you're gonna have confidence, and there's nothing that attracts girls more than confidence, man. Everywhere you go, they will tell you girls they love a guy who's confident. And why are you confident? Because you're rocking a beard now. You have that mentality that girls love beard, and also your skin is gonna be awesome, clean, fresh, and including the confidence and everything. So that thing is attractive, man. Yes, there are girls who love beard. I like to believe out of 100, I believe maybe 30% of those girls they actually like beard in general, but the remaining 70% of those girls, I am definitely sure they are just attracted to a guy because he is confident. So yes, your dating game, man, is gonna improve, man. It's gonna be way much better when you don't have a beard. I'm not saying all the guys with beard have a better dating game, but I'm talking about a guy who never had a beard and now he's rocking a new beard, and he's gonna look awesome. Remember, there's a different look for yourself. You look at yourself, you see, oh man, I look awesome, and people around you they say you look awesome, and the confidence and everything, the testosterone is high, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. So yeah, man, yeah. If you like what I was talking about, man, please like this video, and if you have any other things to add that we can benefit from using Minoxidil, please leave the comment there, man. And if you just don't have anything, man, but you just like this video, like the video, man. Again, if you're from South Africa and you're seeking for Minoxidil, go to the description link and buy yourself some Minoxidil. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate that. Cheers.